Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today I will be unboxing and trying on my Medusa makeup beauty box. This is a cruelty-free vegan makeup company. So we are going to go ahead and we're going to pop this buddy open and let's see what we have here. So for April's 2018 beauty box, it comes with 4 items. Now the box itself is $15, but the total value of this box this month is $40, or well, $39. So the first thing we're going to start out with is the Medusa Makeup Cotton Candy Lip Scrub. This sounds awesome. This retails for $10. This lip scrub is cruelty-free and vegan. Ingredients is sugar, almond oil, so sugar and almond oil, and then flavoring, obviously. So we're gonna go ahead and we are going to scrub my lips because they definitely can use it. And it is hot pink, like cotton candy. Let's see if I can get some without making a mess. Oh, it smells like cotton candy too. I just want to eat it. Alright, so now that the lips have been scrubbed and all the dead skin is off of it, they feel really super soft and moisturized, so that's good. So let's see here, the next thing in the box is lipstick. This is the lipstick in Rosé. This retails for $12. Let's go ahead and take this out. And this is what the container looks like. And then if it will focus, so that's what the color looks like. It is a very like almost mauve-y lavender color. I'm gonna get my mirror out and we're gonna go ahead. Now, obviously with my lip color and my skin color, this is probably not the best lipstick for me. As you can see, it almost looks white. Like you can barely see any of the actual lavender color really. It's very, what's the word I'm trying to, I mean, it feels very nice on the lips, but the color, not my favorite at all. I have no idea what I would even wear that with, but we're going to move on. So the next thing in the bag or the box is an eyeshadow brush. This retails for $8. It is just a flat kind of rounded off one. I really love getting brushes. I have, I think, 1 or 2 other Medusa makeup brushes that I really like a lot. So we will be using that because our last thing in the box is this tropical matte eyeshadow in Kokomo. So let me see if I can get this open. Alright. And it comes in this super cute teal color case. Bloody hell. Come on. I'm going to ruin my nail polish that I just did. There we go. Alright, so this is the color. It is a very bright neon kind of yellow, but we are going to put it on the eye so we can see what it looks like. It's obviously not going to go with the lips, but I don't think anything will go with this lip color, to be honest. And I'm just using my Wet n Wild Cream Brulee just to set down some eyeshadow, so I'll make it that other easier to blend. Alright, and we are going to be using the brush that came in the box. So let's see here. Definitely pigmented. But not so much on the lid. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, let me rub that off for a second. I do have my NYX Milk crayon. I'm gonna put that down just so it gives it something to stick on, and maybe we'll get a better payoff. That color is probably one that you would need either like a white base like this, or even putting some like Fix Plus or any kind of setting spray on it to wet it and make it lay down better. Just blend that out with my finger. Alright. Now let's try that color again and let's see how well it comes off. Oh yeah, much better. Now all I'm doing is just a tapping motion to lay it down. And then I will blend it out. It is a really pretty yellow though. Alright, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and go off camera, finish the rest of my makeup, put my mascara and my eyeliner on. Maybe that'll help out this bright yellow color that I've got going on, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just put a little bit of mascara and some eyeliner on, but this is the finished look using the products in this month's Medusa's Cosmetics or Medusa's Makeup Beauty Box. Out of everything, honestly the only thing I don't care for is the lipstick, and it's just because it's not the formula. The formula is amazing. It feels amazing on my lips. It's just this color does not do anything for my complexion. It doesn't do anything for my teeth. It just kind of washes me out a little bit and just doesn't look right. But the eyeshadow, even it being that neon yellow, I freaking love it. I love the eyeshadow so much. It definitely kind of changes up, which I have this anyways with any kind of makeup I wear, depending on what kind of eyeshadow I'm wearing and what kind of clothes I'm wearing. It will change the color of my eyes. So today, let it focus here. Today I'm kind of getting like a green tone out of them. I think very weird, strange color with this yellow eyeshadow on it, but went with a pretty good sized wing there to kind of go with that dramatic neon yellow lipstick, not lipstick but eyeshadow. But this is the finished look. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be notified when I upload videos, make sure you hit that notification bell. If you're interested in the Medusa makeup subscription box, I will list all the details below in my description box. But again, I thank you for watching and you have a great day.